Hey, if you're a construction business owner who is sick and tired of landing the wrong type of clients, you know, the ones who start penny pinching and they're micromanaging your projects, or maybe you're sick and tired of your workforce, you're constantly firefighting all day, every day, and you can't get an hour break without it all imploding around you. Or maybe you're really tired that you're not earning enough money on your projects. All the risk that you're taking, you're not getting the rewards. Well, if that's you, I highly encourage you to attend our special event in June this year. We're hosting this event in London, in Edinburgh, and in Manchester. So wherever you are in the UK, you're going to be able to find an event that's not too far from you. At this one-day event in June, you're going to learn the steps on how to create a £5 million construction business. We know the exact roadmap on how to get you there because we've done it so many times with our clients, and it's tried, proven, and tested. So if you're worried about not knowing what to do, we're going to show you the exact roadmap on the day. We're going to show you exactly how to attract your ideal client. We're also going to show you exactly how to close clients and have a really high conversion rate. We'll teach you some really ninja sales tactics. Not only that, we'll show you how to manage those projects effectively once you have them, so you can put all the right systems and procedures in place to have your business running like a well-oiled machine. It's going to be an absolutely incredible event. You're going to learn a ton of stuff, so make sure you comment event below and we'll get you the details on how you can register for it.